March Madness Day 29. We have a delicious exercise for you today. This is really nice for stretching and releasing tension out of the neck and shoulders, but also promoting beautiful rib movement. This has been called many different things, but probably most commonly known as a book opener. What is really important is that it really is your rib cage that's doing the movement and not the arm just being chucked around willy-nilly. So we're going to start by drawing the ribs back, and then imagine that you're rolling your rib cage on a block of clay. The top hand's just going to come up. Keep looking at the hand and keep twisting, and you can bring your hip with you. Only go as far as you can keep looking at the hand so that you've still got some of that resistance in your obliques to pull you back. So again, draw the ribs back, roll them on a block of clay, making an impression. Keep looking at your hand, and then slowly coming back. So you can do this anything from 5 to 8 times, more if you like, less if you like, but just keep playing with this movement. It's really important that we've got beautiful mobile ribs, and this is a nice way to achieve rib cage movement.